Good morning, 3 class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Friday, 18th December 2020. It's your maths period. And today our topic is time. It's exercise 6A. Students, today we will solve our last question number 11. So open your notebooks and maintain your pages. Students, open your notebooks, star margin line on both sides of the page. Write classwork Friday, 18th December, 2020. Topic is time. It's exercise 6A. Question number 11 is find out how many minutes in A part is 4 hours 20 minutes. Students, do you know how many minutes in an hour? Yes, it is 60 minutes. How many minutes in an hour? It's in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So first we convert hours into minutes because we have to write answer in minutes. We have to find out minutes. So we multiply this 4 with it's 60. Now plus 20 minutes. Now we multiply 4 with 60. 4 0 0. 4 6 are 24. So it's 240 minutes. 240 minutes plus 20 minutes. Now we will add it 240 and 20. Plus 20. It's 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 2, it's 6. 2 as it is. So the answer is 260 minutes. So it's 260 minutes. Students, now we will solve B part, that is 7 hours and 15 minutes. Again we convert hours into minutes. So first we multiply 7 with it's 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. Now 700 and 76 are 42. So the answer is 420. Now we will solve it. 700 and 76 are 42. So the answer is 420 minutes. (420 minutes plus 15 minutes). Now we will add it 420 and 15 minutes. It's 0 plus 5, it's 5. 2 plus 1, it's 3. And 4 as it is. So the answer is 435 minutes. We write here 435 minutes. Now we will solve C part. Next C part is 3 hours 20 minutes. Again we convert hours into minutes. So first we convert hours into minutes. We multiply it with 60 because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. Now we multiply 3 with 60. It's 300 and 3 6 are 18. So the answer is 180. 180 minutes plus 20 minutes. Now we will add it 180 and 20. It becomes 200. Now we will add it 0 plus 0, it's 0, 8 plus 2 it's 10. So we write 0 here and 1 will be carry over here. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer is 200 minutes. It's 200 minutes. Students, you will also do the same work, okay? Write line over here and do rough work separately and do work in a very neat handwriting. Next D part is, it's 12 hour 20 minutes. Again, first we will write 12 multiply by 60. It's minutes plus 20 minutes. Now we multiply 12 and 60. It's 200. It's 200. 2 6 are 12. Now we multiply 1 with 0. It's 0. And 1 6 are 6. Now we will add these two values. It's 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 720 minutes. 720 minutes plus 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Now we will add it. 720 plus 20. It's 0 plus 0, it's 0. 2 plus 2, it's 4. And 7 as it is. So the answer is 740 minutes. 740 minutes. Now we will solve next part. Now we again convert hours into minutes. So we multiply 2 with 60. It's minutes plus 5 minutes. Now we multiply 2 with 60. It's 200. And 2 6 are 12. So the answer is 120 minutes plus 5 minutes. So 120 plus 5 is 125 minutes. Answer is 125 minutes. Now last part is 14 hours 30 minutes. It's 14 multiplied by 60 minutes plus 35 minutes. Now we multiply it. It's 400. 4 6 are 24. Now we multiply 1 with 0. It's 0 and 1 6 are 6. Now we will add it. It's 0. 4 plus 0 it's 4. 2 plus 6 it's 8. So the answer is 840. We write here 840 minutes plus 35 minutes. Now we will add it. It's 0 plus 5 it's 5. 4 plus 3 it's 7. 8 as it is. So the answer is 875 minutes. Here we write 875 minutes. So students, this is your classwork. Do these 5 and 6 parts on your notebooks in a very neat handwriting. Now your homework is question number 8. Draw the clock faces in your notebooks to show these times.